How to create coupon codes for your WooCommerce store. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create coupon codes for your WooCommerce store. So first of all, let's go to your WordPress dashboard. Then from the left-hand menu, click on Marketing, and then the sub-menu, go to Coupons. A new page will appear on the screen where you can find all previously created coupon. Now to create a new coupon, click on Add New Coupon. Here you can create a new coupon for your store. So now you can generate an automatic coupon code, or in the coupon code box, type in the code you want users to apply. You can also add a description here if you'd like, but it's optional. Next, we need to define the type of discount this coupon will give. Under discount type, you can select from fixed cart discount, percentage discount, or fixed product discount. I'll select percentage discount, and I'll enter 10 to offer a 10% discount. You can also check the box below if you want this coupon to allow free shipping. Then if you want the coupon to expire on a specific date, you can set the expiry date from the calendar. Now let's move to the usage restriction section. Here you can add a minimum or maximum spend required for the coupon to apply. You can also select individual use only to make sure the coupon isn't used together with other coupons. There's also an option to exclude sale items, so the coupon won't work on products that are already on sale. If you scroll down a bit, you can also include or exclude specific products or categories for the coupon. Now let's move to the usage limits section. If you want the coupon to be used only a specific number of times on your website, you can add that number in the usage limit per coupon. You can also set the number of items the coupon will apply to, and in the usage limit per user, you can set how many times each customer can use this coupon. Let's suppose I'll set it to 1 time, so that each user can only use the code once. Once everything is set, click on Publish. And that's it. This is how you can create a coupon for WooCommerce store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.